Hello children, welcome to Get Easy Maths. Hope you all are doing well. So children, now today we will go forward for the solved examples. Now here I would like to share some problems with you. Now let's solve it. So these are the questions which are based on the part 1 of the integer which we have discussed earlier, that is the properties of addition under the integers. So come on, let's solve it. So first question is here, add minus 2184 with, you have to add it, minus of 425. So we know children, for adding both are the negative integers here, minus 2184 you have to add with minus 425. So when I am going to add them here, plus minus minus, and as we discussed before, when both are of the negative integers, that time you have to add them and give the sign of the negative. So I am going to add it here. When I'll add it, it will become minus of 2609. Again I will let it once revise. Both are the negative integers, and when we add them, you have to do this procedure. And now moving to the next question, we have to add 260 with minus of 310. So as you have to add 260 with minus of 310, you can see here one positive integer and one negative integer. According to our previous lecture, we are going to here do the subtraction. As I told you before, one positive integer, when you are going to add with our negative integer, you have to do the subtraction. So subtract it. 260 minus of 3 of 10, and when you do the subtraction, it will come 50. And always give the sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 310, that is this one. Here you are subtracting bigger number from the smaller number. So minus 50 is the answer here. Now moving to the next, we are having additive inverse property of the integer. We have seen additive inverse. Additive inverse is nothing but the negative of the integer. As we know that here is minus 40, so what its additive inverse? Yes, its additive inverse will be plus 40. As we know that, why? Because minus 40, when you add with plus 40, you are going to get the additive identity, that is 0. You will get this additive identity 0. So here minus 40's additive inverse is plus 40. Why? Because minus 40 plus 40 gives you additive identity. And in the same way, what is of 568? Minus of 568. Why minus of 568? Because when you add them, you will again get the additive identity 0 here. And one more thing, always remember point 0. Additive inverse of 0 is 0 itself. So what is here? 0. As you know that 0 plus 0 gives you 0. Okay children. Now moving to the next point, find the value of, here absolute value you have to find out, minus 5 minus 6. Again just recall our rules. Minus 5 minus 6, here both are the negative integers. We will add them. You will get minus of 11, and this is in absolute value. When you take out its absolute value, you will get positive 11. You will get positive 11. And here absolute value 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. And absolute value of 6 is again positive 6. Next we'll go for the fill in the blanks. Here just remember, these are the fill in the blanks. Minus of, in bracket, minus 68 is here. Minus minus, that is plus, means only just positive 68. Outside of the bracket minus sign is there, and the integer is having a negative sign, so minus of minus, it becomes plus 68. Now moving to the next, just you have to think of here little bit. Minus 30, what you add with it, so you will get the same result. So in the properties of integers under addition, we have saw that if you want to get the integer itself, means you have to add here additive identity. Yes, what is additive identity? That's 0. When you add any integer with additive identity, that is 0, you will get the integer itself. Here we are using a property here. And now tell me, 10, you are going to add with which integer so that the result will be 0? Here 0 is again additive identity. So 10, when you are going to add with its inverse, yes, that is minus of 10. 10, when you add with its additive inverse, you will get 0. Hope you have cleared it. Now moving to the next question. The sum of two integers is minus 30. If one of them is 60, find the other. The question is very clear. The given data is given as here. Given that sum of the two integers, that is a plus b, is minus 30. We have considered, suppose that sum of two integers. Here I have considered the two integers a and b. One of them is 60. Let us consider it is, suppose a is 60 and we are supposed to find out the b. Sum given, one of the integer given, you have to find the other. So let's just put the 60 here. You have to find out b, suppose. Now just to find out the value of b, you need to just put it, shift this 60 to the RHS, right hand side. Minus 30 will be as it is. When you shift this 60 to this side of the equation, this positive 60, when you shift it, it become minus of 60. It become minus 60. And again you will get the situation which was like here. Both the negative integers, add them. After adding, what you will get? 60 and 30, you will get 90. And 90 you have to write with the negative sign. That is of minus 90. You will get as a minus 90. So another integer is what? Another integer is minus 90. Hope you have cleared it. So today we have seen these examples: addition, additive inverse, find the value of absolute value, fill in the blanks, and these. You also have to try to solve it once again in your own notebook. Thank you.